this to open the door here. And this disinfection surface wipe for the user. So maybe I should wipe it first. Maybe I should wipe the table first to ensure safety. Be professional. Let's explore what is this. Wow, there's a volume select. I think you can connect to the speaker here. And this like the next song. Play, pause. Okay, just now I tried to play music and it works. But however, the speaker is not that loud. And when I adjust the volume, right, the sound is still the same. You cannot hear the music because when I record, the music will pause. For the previous and next button, it works on Spotify and you can pause and play. And you hold, you can just off the entire thing. Okay, and this is the light. So when I press, the light will be on. Okay, and this is the fan. I think the fan is above here, but I'm not feeling anything. I'm not sure why. There's also a charging port to charge your phone, to charge your laptop when you are using it. Okay, however, there's no dustbin here. And this is the chair. Seems quite comfortable. Okay, now I should start working for like 10 to 15 minutes and I will hit back. Hey guys, I realized here is not soundproof and I can hear people talking outside. So it's not the best place you can play your music. Because I feel like they can hear you, because I can hear them outside, means they can hear me also. So I think this is one of the cons. Whatever you're doing, you're speaking, you can actually hear. Other than that, I feel it's quite a conducive environment where there's only 4 walls and you can just focus on your work. Yeah. Hello guys, so I've been here for around 30 minutes. You can see from the cost that is $3 plus. Overall, I feel here is quite productive, but then I feel it's quite expensive because like an hour is like $5 plus. When if you stay at home, you can just save up this money to buy other stuff like food or use it on other stuff. But then if your home is not conducive enough and you are willing to spend this kind of money, then go ahead. You can really be very productive here, and the lighting is quite good. So with this I shall end my video here. Thanks everyone for watching. Till next time, peace.